10 things you can do to manage crona at home. Stay home. If you have a medical appointment, call ahead and let them know you may have later. Monitor your symptoms carefully. If they worsen, call your healthcare provider. Cover your cough and sneeze. Rest and stay hydrated. Wash your hands often. Stay away from others in your home. Use a separate bathroom. Avoid sharing. If your symptoms are severe, call 911 or emergency. Clean all surfaces that are touched often. Let's take care of ourselves and each other.